Having trouble with the dreaded DoorDash error validating basket? Don't worry, you're not alone. This error can be frustrating, but with the right steps, it's easily fixable. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process to ensure you can order your favorite meals smoothly and without any hiccups, with all the necessary steps on how to fix DoorDash error validating basket. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first step in resolving the DoorDash error validating basket is to ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can disrupt the order process and cause validation problems. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Make sure you're in an area with strong network coverage, or, if on Wi-Fi, that your connection is strong and not dropping. Step 2. Refresh the DoorDash app. Try refreshing or restarting the DoorDash app. Close the app completely and then reopen it. On most phones, this can be done by swiping it away from the recent apps or task manager screen. After reopening, attempt to place your order again. This simple step can often clear temporary glitches that might be causing the error. Step 3. Update the app. Ensure that your DoorDash app is up to date. Developers regularly release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Visit the App Store on your device, search for DoorDash, and update the app if a newer version is available. Running the latest version can help eliminate known issues, including the validating basket error. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If the error persists, clear the app cache and data. For Android users, navigate to Settings, Apps, DoorDash, Storage, Clear cache, and clear data. iPhone users might need to delete and reinstall the app to achieve a similar effect, as iOS handles app caches differently. Clearing these can free up memory and refresh the app's data, potentially resolving the issue. Step 5. Review your order. Sometimes the error occurs due to items in your cart that are no longer available. Double-check your basket and ensure all selected items are currently offered by the restaurant. Remove unavailable or discontinued items and try placing the order again. This verification step can prevent validation errors caused by menu change. Step 6. Contact DoorDash support. If you've tried all the above steps and the error still isn't resolved, it might be time to reach out to DoorDash customer support. Explain your situation and the steps you've already taken. They might provide additional insights or technical fixes for the DoorDash error validating basket. Most customer support teams are quick to assist and can help you troubleshoot effectively. Facing the DoorDash error validating basket can be annoying, but with these steps, you can nip the problem in the bud. Start by checking your internet connection and refreshing the app. Follow up by updating and clearing caches. Review your selections and unavailable items, and don't hesitate to reach out for support if needed. By following this guide, you'll be ordering effortlessly in no time. Remember, technology can be tricky, but there's always a solution around the corner. Enjoy your meal once the problem is resolved.